Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know when a reel was posted on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to know when a reel was posted on Instagram, first open up the Instagram app on your phone. And let's go to the reel section of Instagram. You can see the reels icon at the bottom of the screen, guys, just beside the plus icon. Tap on the reel icon. And let's pause this reel, guys. You can see a lot of reels over here. Now in order to find the posted date on Instagram, simply open the profile of the person who had posted that reel on Instagram. You can see their profile name at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on there and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see the grid lines over here just beside the reel section, which is the post. Over here you will be able to see all of the posts by that person and find your reel of which you want to see the date over here or the posted date over here. Open up that reel and you can see, guys, it says 2 days ago at the bottom left corner of the post. And you can see, guys, over here, this is how you will be able to know when a reel was posted on Instagram, guys. So let's do that to another one, and you can see it is 4 days ago. And there, guys, this is how you will be able to know when a reel was posted on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.